To do a straddle split safely, it's important to warm up first. Do about 15 minutes of cardio exercises to get your blood pumping and loosen up your muscles. Focus on exercises that target your legs, like squats and box jumps. Next, limber up your body by doing stretches that target your lower back, hips, and legs, such as bridges and runner's stretches. While your upper body won't be doing as much during the splits, it's still a good idea to loosen it up with a standing side stretch. To practice getting into a straddle split, lie down on your back with your butt against the wall and your legs sticking straight up along the wall. Next, slowly and smoothly drop your legs out to each side so they form a wide V shape. Keep going until you spread your legs as wide as you can without feeling any pain. Hold the pose for 10 to 15 seconds, then return to the starting position. After you get more comfortable practicing the split against the wall, try it from a standing position. Stand on a firm surface, such as tile or hardwood floor. Make sure you're barefoot or wearing shoes when you do this, since socks could cause you to slip and injure yourself. Place your feet shoulder-width apart, bend forward at the hips, and put your hands flat on the floor in front of you. Slowly and carefully slide your feet straight out to each side and lower your butt toward the ground. As much as you can, keep your feet flat on the floor so the tops of your feet face the ceiling. Continue to move your legs out to the sides and lower yourself down until you can't comfortably go any further. Remember to keep breathing slowly and evenly the whole time. To help get a deeper split, roll your hips forward and push your stomach toward the floor as you go down. Don't worry if you can't achieve a full split right away. If you practice 3 to 5 minutes every day, you'll eventually get more flexible. However, don't push yourself beyond what you can do comfortably. If anything starts to hurt, stop right away.